And many of them were bar top notchers. Now, what does that tell you? Now, let's go to the last Philippine Senate, the 7th Congress. Ito yung kongreso na talagang pinakamabigat na ipinanganak na o iniluwal ng ating bayan. Anong pinaka-importante doon sa 7th Congress? Out of 24 senators, I will ask you, how many again were lawyers?
And
17.
Opo.
17 lawyers. Now, how many bar top notchers? 8 or 9, including my father. My father had a 93.2 rating from Cebu. So, kung ikaw ipapatawag ka sa hearing, mangangatog ka. Kasi 17 lawyers ang kaharap mo. This is not discounting the other lawyers that are the other members of the Senate who were also matitinik. Ninoy Aquino was there.